Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy fishtail braided bun. To start, I've popped the hair into a low ponytail, leaving some hair out to frame the face. Now we're just going to pull that elastic band away from the head a little bit, and we're going to use our fingers to create a hole just behind the elastic band. Pop a couple of fingers pointing downwards through the hole, grab your ponytail and pull it up and through so you're creating a little upside down twist. Now we're going to do a fishtail braid, so split the hair in half, take a small section from the left hand side, cross it over and join it to the right hand side, and then take a small section from the right hand side, cross it over and join it to the left hand side. So take a small slice of hair from the left hand strand, cross it over to the right hand strand, and then repeat on the right hand side by taking a small slice of hair, crossing it over and joining it to the left hand strand. Use your thumbs to keep those crossed over sections in place, and we're going to basically just continue braiding this way all the way down to the end of the hair. So I'm just going to speed up this bit so you don't get too bored. Once you reach the end of the braid, make sure you tie it off with a clear elastic band. Now apply some texture spray to your braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then all we're going to do is use our fingers to gently pinch and pull that braid apart. Again, you can make this as messy or neat as you like. Next, we're going to hold that braid straight up and just wrap the ends around our fingers, and then we're going to roll it down until it reaches the nape of the neck. Then just secure it at the nape with a couple of bobby pins, and then pop a bobby pin on the top of the bun just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then finally we're going to push that bun towards the head, and we're going to secure it on both sides with a bobby pin or two. This part's optional, but you can pinch and pull at the hair to create a bit more volume. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.